Pipedrive CRM tutorial. How to use Pipedrive complete tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get started with Pipedrive. Pipedrive is an easy and effective CRM for you to manage and close your deals. It allows you to manage your sales team and make sure that you are able to accomplish all your goals in time. Plus, Pipedrive is highly integratable and customizable, so you can easily manage your leads, add custom fields, and cater and tailor Pipedrive according to your business. So let's get started with Pipedrive. Now, to get started with Pipedrive, simply head on over to pipedrive.com. From here, you're going to click on Try for Free on the top right. Now, once you do that, you're going to add your email address. Once you insert your email address, just tick these options and click on Sign Up in 2 minutes. Now, once you do that, you're going to be creating your account. So you'll have to verify your email address with Pipedrive. So we're just going to verify that over here simply by copying this code and inserting it into Pipedrive. Now, once you have completed that, you can pick out your name over here and then choose a suitable password. Now, after that, you can insert your phone number and then click on Next. Once you've inserted your phone number, you're going to add some information about yourself. This includes some questions about what title describes your job the best. So I'm going to add this as the CEO. Then, what is your experience with sales tools? Then after that, you're going to add what you would like to do first. So if I want to set up my team and permissions, set goals, manage my relationships with my clients, find new leads, and close deals faster. Let's say my main goal is to set goals and track progress for my particular sales team. Click on that and then click on Next. Once you do that, you're going to enter your company name, and then you're also going to add how large is your company. Choose the industry that your company is present in. This includes things like agriculture, energy, construction, real estate, finance, administration, other services, and if your industry does not fall under any of these categories, you can click on Other at the bottom, and that is all you have to do. Once you do that, just click on Create Account and your account will now be set up on Pipedrive. So with a couple of seconds, your new Pipedrive account has now been established. Once your account has been created, you're going to get some sample data from Pipedrive. You will see this sample data is going to help you in managing your account, especially when you're setting it up for the first time. It's really important to go over the sample data to better understand Pipedrive. And once you have completed your basic knowledge of Pipedrive, you can click on Remove Sample Data from the top right to remove all sample data. Now, on the top left, you have a lead section on Pipedrive. Then you have your deals, project, campaigns, sales inboxes, activities, contact, insights, and then product. Then below that, you also have your marketplace and then a more section to add documents, import data, add automations, and more. Now, let's say that we are a marketing agency and we are looking to acquire more clients and manage our clients for our marketing team. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove our sample data from the top right and then click on Remove Sample Data. Now I have removed all my sample data, and once we've done that, we can proceed with actually setting up Pipedrive as a beginner. So to get started, the first and foremost thing you want to do is add any potential leads that you already have access to. To do this, simply click on the target icon on the top left. Once you click on the target icon, click on lead over here. Now, if you just click on lead, you can enter information about the lead. However, if you click on this icon, which is a arrow icon, you can import data from a pre-existing database if you have one already. So I can click on the lead icon because I want to manually add a lead. Let's say this lead is going to be Melissa. Now I will add the organization that this person belongs to. So let's say they belong to a baker. And then I'm going to add the title for my lead, which is going to be baker. Then I can add a value to my lead. So I am going to choose a currency, which is going to be US dollars, and then I can add the value. What we mean when we say value in leads is how much revenue or how much profit could I potentially be earning with this particular deal? So let's say at least $1,000, I would have $1,000 deal with this particular baking company, or let's say this is called Melissa's Bakery, like this. Now, when you add an organization, you will see the option to add a new organization as you add your first lead, because every lead does belong to an organization. But we're going to be covering that later on. Below that, you're going to add a label. So let's say this is warm. And how can we actually know what these labels mean? So cold means that you are uncertain whether or not you're going to be able to close this. Warm means that this person might be interested. And then hot means that you definitely are pursuing this lead actively. Below that, you can add the owner of your lead. The owner of this lead could be anyone from the sales team, or it could be you as well. Enter the relevant person over here. Then add a expected close date. So let's say I'm supposed to close this within a week. Then I want this to be visible to everyone within the company, only visible to the group and subgroups like admins or user in the same visibility group. Then we also have the option to make it the item owner's visibility group, and only to make it either the item owner's visible lead. So this is totally up to you. Certain sales employees don't like to share their potential leads with other sales employees as well. So they can add them in the first checkbox, which only enables the owner, which for this lead is me, to see this lead. Other members of my company wouldn't see this. But for me, I want this to be available to all of my users. Then we can add their phone number on the right, and then we can also add a email address like this. Once we do that, we can also associate these phone numbers and email addresses. And once we have completed this information, click on Save on the bottom right. Once you click on Save, you will see all the information that will be inserted about the lead. Now, in the left, you have the options of a live chat, where you can actually set up a human touch to your chatbot conversations by including a live chat option in your website. Then you also have a prospector. This is the tool that allows you to find potential leads by using data available on the internet and analyzing it. You also can create a simple, customized, tailored chatbot, as well as a web form, to ensure that the leads that you have are captured with intuitive forms that you can easily share. Now, to be able to use these tools, just click on the tool that is relevant, click on Continue over here, and I personally like the Prospector tool the most, simply because it helps you in finding potential leads. So just go into Prospector, click on Start Prospecting, and then you can choose any type of person. Let's say I want to find a job title that contains hiring, or let's say this is going to be human resources. And then I can add a size where the company needs to have over 10,000 employees, and I can search prospect. So any person that has a job in human resources within that particular, within a organization that large, would now be listed. Now I can open up the organization and see all the relevant people. And this can help us in poaching leads and finding different leads available. So after that, you also have the option to have a add-on of web visitors. However, this is a paid-for tool that you can choose to integrate later on. Now that we have completed our leads, we can move on to our second section, which is going to be creating contacts, because obviously a lead is going to mature after some time, and once a lead matures, it turns into a contact. To add contacts, click on the left icon over here, which looks like a business card. Once you click on this icon, you will see three options on the left panel. You can add people, and any people that you add in your leads will automatically be transferred into people as well in contacts. Then you have organizations, so you can add the organizations that you are looking to do business with. And then you have your contact timeline. So this enables you to see what kind of relationship you have built with different contacts. So this is going to help you in knowing whether or not you are at an established stage with a particular business. Now, moving on to our next section, we have deals. Deals are one of the most important sections of any sales CRM. So if you go into deals on the left panel over here, which is this money icon, you can filter it in a pipeline view, in a list view, or in a forecast view. Usually we like to keep this at a pipeline view. Now, within the pipeline view, you will see on the top right, you have this option to edit. Once you open this up, you can actually change this to different stages. So you will see our lead stages start from here. So I will click on new stage, and this might be, something I want to write. I'll just create a new stage over here. Once I have built my new stage, I'm going to add the title, which might be contact made or demo schedule negotiations qualified, contact made, demo and proposal made, negotiation started, and then deal reformed like this. And then after that, I'm going to click on save on the top right. Now, once we do that, this will enable us to see a new particular section in which a deal might mature into. So first, we have deals that are qualified. If we make content, a demonstration, a proposal is made, negotiations, and then your deal is reformed. This is really going to be independently processed by the type of industry you are in. Your sales pipeline is going to look differently. So you can customize it by doing these steps and clicking on the top right corner. Keep in mind you can edit any stage or delete any stage. So we have qualified, contact made, demo scheduled. Let's say I don't want to add that. So I can just click on delete stage over here, and then the stage would be deleted. Then I want to maybe add a new one, I can add another one. This really depends on the type of page you're looking to build. Now, once we have built our sales page or our sales pipeline page, we can start adding our deals. To add deals, you can click on import data if you already have an existing database. If you don't have an existing database, simply click on add deal on the bottom. Once you do that, you will see a contact person, and you're going to type in the name. If you type in a couple of letters, this will automatically show you all the information about the contacts that you have, and you can just add that over here. Let's say this is a $1,000 deal, and I will add this in USD, and then I want this to be added into our pipeline. Make sure to rename this pipeline into your sales pipeline or into your deal pipeline, because just keeping it at the name of pipeline can be a bit confusing. Let's say we are at the stage where I have already made the proposal, and now I can add labels. Labels can help you in categorizing different deals, especially when you have a large number of deals when your business is expanding. So click on add labels and click on add label. Now this might be food and bev, and then I want to associate the yellow color with food and beverage. Now, this can help me in categorizing the different deals that we are making in different aspects of our business. So I want to categorize or label the deals that we have based on the industry that they are present in, because this is a marketing firm. But if you want to categorize differently, you can obviously categorize differently as well. Plus, you can add more than one label, so you can add multiple labels to help better define a deal. Then you have the expected close date, then you have the owner, which is us, and then the item visibility. Once you do that, click on save, and your deal will now be inserted. Now you can schedule an activity, which basically means schedule your next meeting. Simply click on schedule an activity over here on the deal. Once you do that, click on schedule an activity. This will open up a pop-up on the top. Now, let's say we have a meeting, and this is going to be, let's say, 2 days from now. Let's say we want to set a time, and this will set the time all in your calendar as well. Then you're going to add this as busy time. Then you can add your guests, locations, descriptions, and more. Click on save over here, and your next point of contact will now be set. So you have a clear understanding of where you are lying with this particular business or negotiation, and when is your next meeting with this particular client. So this is how you can build your sales pipeline in Pipedrive. Now, moving on to the next section, we have projects. Projects can be a hierarchy deal with any particular company. You can go into project on the left, and project is one of the add-ons available on Pipedrive. This will cost you an extra $8 per member. So the more people that you have, the more that they have to pay. So I would suggest that if you're already using a free tool to manage your projects, you can do that. But if you're someone that is looking for an all-in-one platform and you don't want to go to another third-party app to manage your projects, you can easily use a $8 add-on for projects. Now, moving on, we have campaigns. Campaigns are something that are available with a free trial in the Pipedrive account. However, these are also considered an add-on, and you will see that after your trial period, you would be billed $16 per company. This will allow you to create stunning emails, nurture your contacts, and boost your campaign performance. Then you have your sales inbox. This includes all of your emails that you are sending, and you can connect your email account in Pipedrive. What this will help you in doing so is that when all of your connections, all of your point of contact are emailing your business email, you're going to be able to schedule meetings faster, take a look at data faster, and analyze everything quicker. Doing this is only something that you can do with a advanced plan or higher. Now, moving on, the next section we have is our activities section. This is where you schedule meetings, schedule calls, and make sure that all of your deals are going to be frequently contacted by you. You can click on activity over here to add different activities such as calls, meetings, tasks, deadlines, emails, and lunches with your business partners. Then you have insights. Insights can help you in analyzing whether or not your sales strategies are currently working or not. This includes seeing the leads you have by users, and you can create different types of data fields over here. So you can go on ahead and click on reports on the left, and you will see different types of reports that you can create. You will see there are some sample reports that will be generated. You can click on the add new icon on the top left to add a particular goal, dashboard, or report. So I want to create a goal, and this is going to be a deal. Then I want to add a one goal, and I want this to be a monthly goal in my pipeline where everyone in the company is assigned for this particular goal. This should be achieved by the 31st, and we need to have at least $2,000 worth of revenue or $2,000 worth of leads that we win. So these are the deals that I want to win. Click on save over here, and this will save your company goal. You can make individual goals, you can make team goals, you can also make company-wide goals as we have just created. Once you create goals, you can also click on add new and then click on reports. These can help you in making sure to analyze the performance of all of your employees. So you can view the type of report that you want. So let's say, what type of people are working well in your organization, which leads are doing better, what type of deals, what is your conversion rate, how long are your sales cycles taking, what is your progress. All of that can be analyzed. So let's say I want to analyze my deal conversion, or let's say I want to analyze my deal performance. I can click on start over here, and this will add different types of deals. Now I can add different filters to filter out only the type of deals that I want to analyze on Pipedrive. And this is such a great way to manage your CRM because it's really an all-in-one tool that is going to help you in making sure all of your info is relevant, easy to access, but still organized in a powerful way to generate powerful analytics. Plus, if you want to integrate other applications into Pipedrive, you can click on the marketplace on the bottom left. Once you click on marketplace on the bottom left, you can click on over here to search and connect with your favorite tools. So let's say I want to find Shopify, and I can link Shopify over here. You can find a lot of different applications that are easily integratable with Pipedrive. Now, with these amazing features, you might wonder about the pricing. So if you take a look at the pricing for Pipedrive, it starts at $12 per seat per month with their Essentials plan. This includes key features like lead calendar and pipeline management, data imports, activity, deal, and contact reporting, and personalized on-branding. Then on the advanced version, you also have email sync, meeting automation builders. You also have a professional plan starting at $49, which includes AI features, streamlined lead routing, contact management, e-signatures, and more. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with Pipedrive. If you did find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or queries, leave those in the comment box down below. I would love to know what you guys have to say.